Hey gang, it's Monday evening, 6:20. I'm going to see if I can finish this little bit from yesterday. I think I've got about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. This is going to be part 2, so I might join some of a few other videos. Yeah, let's see how we go. I'm not going to use the cement mixer because I'm only making a small amount, so we'll use the bucket for this time. Like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Hello gang, the time is 19:30, so 7:30. I finished that bit, oh, and I put 4 more bricks in, blocks, whatever. So yeah, coming to shape up nicely. I don't think I'm going to make this into a full length video because it'd be pointless, so hopefully I'll be able to update it each day. So I shall see you soon. Okay guys, so this is where we're at. All the mortar's dry now. Just gonna go around and rub it, just get those hanging on bits off. I think I'm gonna do another course on top of this one and then see where we are with blocks. So yeah, this is following on from the little bit that I did over there and completing these 2 bits here. So yeah, let's get it started. Okay guys, that is that. Yeah, that was very hard work. My hat's off to builders, to be honest. That is an absolute microcosm as to what they go through on a daily basis, I'm sure. So yeah, there's a couple of edges that need a bit of scraping, like there for example, and all the rest of it, but yeah, I think that's good. I might put a sort of finishing engineering brick on the top, because I've got loads of them knocking around the garden. Apparently they're really slidey, so you need to make your mix really dry. But if you want to see that, let us know. If not, I might put a picture on the community. Yeah, so there you have it guys. Building a concrete compost area. Plan is to have the initial food waste and garden waste in there, then when it mulches down a little bit, or degrades down a little bit, move it to there, and then finally the compost that's ready to go in there. What I'm going to do is put a couple of slices down here, and then have slats of wood so I can easily turn it or empty it, just to make it a bit easier, rather than like bits falling out of the front and, you know, looking generally untidy. So yeah, if you want to see any of that, let me know. I might do a short on it, and do a bit of a progress as to how well the microbiome in the compost heap is going. But yeah, I don't know if you saw on the hyperlapse, I had to make a last little bit because I ran out, which was really frustrating. I had like 1.5 bricks to go, but it's all done now. Treatment wise, I don't know if we're going to throw anything on it, to be honest. I don't know whether it's worth it. Let me know if there's any builders out there that will be like, oh yeah, you need to put this on it, and that'll make it last loads longer or whatever. But yeah, there we go. Total cost, well, I had to buy all the new bricks, blocks that are like a sort of peachy grey today. They cost 57 quid. The rest of the blocks I were given. They were given to me. The sand was left over from when the builders did an extension on our house. So a couple of quid for the bag of cement, got the sand, and then yeah, the base cost a little bit more, but to be honest that was done in 2024, so I can't exactly remember how much that cost, but that was, yeah, that was always the plan. So glad to finally get it done. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. Thanks for watching.